Hey, I'm Lindsay from The Rural Legend. Welcome to our first ever outdoor home tour. Thank you to RainPoint for sponsoring this post. You guys, I cannot wait to show you the garden game-changing products that I collected for this year. My mind is blown. We're talking sustainability, time-saving, money-saving products. I don't know how we ever lived without these before. But first, are you ready to see a tour of the outside of our home? Let's go. Let's start the tour in one of my absolute favorite places on earth, my backyard. This space brings us so much joy, and it really is our own little oasis. This year in particular, I brought in a ton of secondhand finds just to add more character to our space, and also it was way more affordable to decorate that way. This is where I spend almost every evening, as long as the humidity isn't too insane. This patio is just my retreat. You might have noticed that weird white rectangular contraption. That is the frame for our outdoor movie screen. We built that out of PVC piping. There's actually a free full tutorial on the website. Having an outdoor movie space is so amazing during the spring, summer, and fall months. We love having our friends over, and especially watching all of those old 80s classics. The two really long sofas we have actually split in two. Hi, Elliot. You can rotate them towards the movie screen so we have like theater style seating. I love it. Also, it's important to note, this patio did not exist when we moved in. We had a very small concrete slab surrounded by a half brick wall. So all of this has been added with blood, sweat, and tears by yours truly and my very, very handy husband. Although, we did have a professional come in and install this giant paver patio. This year I planted wildflower seeds and pollinator seeds all along the border of our patio. I am obsessed with having all of these cut flowers right there while we're sitting and enjoying our breakfast. Zinnias were my grandmother's favorite flower, so I always make sure that I plant them in honor of her. I had to check on this bumblebee because he wasn't moving. I think he was either just drunk or sleeping. One of the biggest things that sold us on this house was the huge green space in the backyard. It's especially magical at night. The sunset glow is just always so magical. We added a double hammock to the very back of our yard. We take turns reading with Jackson over the summer. It's one of my favorite times of day, and that hammock is so comfortable. While we had a professional install our paver patio, we built this sunken fire pit patio ourselves. And while I try to keep the raised beds around the fire pit nice, I always find at least one of the dogs laying in them. Apparently, all of my flowers and the weeds make a very good bed. Two fun facts about this sunken fire pit patio. We saved over $4,000 by doing this ourselves. And we needed to watch a lot of YouTube videos, really had a lot of trial and errors, but it was so worth saving the money. The other fun fact is all of the pavers we used for the floor of this sunken area, we got from our own property. There were just random patches of pavers we were able to rip up and reuse. Welcome to the front of our home, or more specifically, the side of our home. Again, none of this existed when we moved in, so a lot of love went into building this huge curved flower bed. We've lived here almost 8 years, so things are finally starting to mature, grow together, and it just feels so full, so whimsical, especially now in July when all of these lilies are blooming. The bright orange mixed with the white hydrangeas. Ugh, this combo is just so dreamy, especially during golden hour, which is when I filmed this. The one thing that was here when we moved in was this arbor, which we repainted. Actually, hold on. This is getting a little too dark. Let's fix the lighting. Much better. We call this area the rose garden, even though there is exactly one rose bush in this space. There were a couple dead rose bushes here when we moved in, and we just started calling it the rose garden, and you know, it sounds fancy, so we never renamed it. Okay, as promised, I have to show you the major garden game changers we've added to our property this year. I just don't know how we've lived without these for so long. It's been about 3 years since we installed these raised garden beds, and we absolutely love them. I love the clean look, they're really durable, but as with any vegetable garden, this area needs a lot of love, time, and care put into it, especially when it comes to watering. So when we decide to gallivant off to Europe for 2 weeks, our vegetables are not very happy with us when we return. Or at least that used to be the case until we found this amazing device from RainPoint. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's rewind a little bit. We decided to install this really slick irrigation system. It's from the same brand as our raised beds, and I'll include all of the details and specs in the description. Setting up the irrigation system was actually pretty simple. It involved adding brackets, this rubber tubing, and then you add valves and these flexible nozzles that just snap into place. Because this irrigation system is specifically made for these raised beds, the integration was so slick. But now here is the true star of our garden show. We ordered the Wi-Fi Smart watering timer from RainPoint. The RainPoint Home app allows you to create smart scenes where you can schedule when your irrigation system or sprinklers run and for how long. You can choose the watering duration based on time or by the gallons used to make sure you're not overwatering or wasting water. So now our plants are hydrated even before I'm out of bed in the morning, and I never have to worry about forgetting to water or overwatering. The app also has a rain delay option, so if rain is in the forecast, the irrigation plan will be automatically delayed. This is going to be an absolute game changer when we're gone because we can rely on the timer to do its job and keep our plants happy and healthy. Plus, you can set multiple smart scenes so you could also connect sprinklers to water the grass or your flower beds too. Simply add one of RainPoint's hose diverters and double your watering options. Gone are the days where I forget to water. Gone are the days that I have to rely on a neighbor to water all of my plant babies while we're traveling. Gone are the days where I worry, am I overwatering or underwatering? The smart watering timer takes care of all of that for me. What a fabulous and easy way to save water this summer. I hope you enjoyed our little outdoor home tour, and thank you again to RainPoint. You can learn more about their products in the description below. I'll see you soon, Secondhand Squad.